Good afternoon, guys. Welcome to my channel. This motovlog will be from Shakarpur till Pragati Maidan railway station. Today I had two bad luck. One is the Shahadra railway station and second in Mandavli. I had a plan to shoot some vlogs there, but bad luck. One day I had to take a special cab to shoot a vlog there. Maybe a bike cab because my motorcycle was not able to reach there. So I am pretty much hopeful that in Pragati Maidan railway station I would be able to shoot some trains. We have got green signal, but no one is moving. Some construction work is going on because of which there is a traffic jam. I have got green signal, but I'm pretty much sure I won't be able to reach because of congestion. Machine goes across. It's looking like a metro station about 15, 14, 14, TVS Star City. We'll get some stupid here. I don't know, guys, why these people can't use the foot over bridge when they don't love their life. Because of these people, motovlogging is very difficult. This guy needs to ride a motorcycle of 100 cc, not a car. This person is riding motorcycle and keeping his wife without a helmet. This is Vikas Marg. It connects Central Delhi to East Delhi. So my mother has prepared fried rice and curry. I hope when I reach Pragati Maidan railway station, I will be able to eat there because I'm feeling very hungry. It was smelling very bad. I was not able to eat my lunch there. I hope I can eat here properly. So when I reach back home, I will be preparing my motorcycle because it is letting me down, stopping unnecessarily. So since I am shooting this vlog in 4K, it will be eating my internal memory a lot. I don't know why the Google Map is not guiding me properly. So near Bharat Marg is the Pragati Maidan railway station. And Google Maps has become silent totally. So I will be taking the left turn, Madhu Sadhapur Marg. So I have taken this shortcut to avoid traffic because I don't know I will be able to get a green signal when I reach the traffic signal. So typical narrow path. This person has halted without any reason. This is the Marg on left hand side. Then again, I will be taking left to Mathura Road. This is left towards because I will take left towards Pragati Maidan Road. Let's see.